How to download and register in Cash App. We will teach you step by step, without wasting time, how you should install the Cash App on your cell phone and create a free account. When you see the entire video, if you like the information, please support the video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now so that these types of videos can reach you. How to create a Cash App account. The first thing you have to do is access the application store of your cell phone, whether you have Android or iPhone. Once inside the application store, you must enter the name of the Cash App in the search engine. The results appear. The correct application is the one that appears in this sector. A button will appear here that says Install. You have to press that button, and once it is installed, this button that says Open will appear. This is the first thing you will see when you open the application, a green screen with the Cash App logo in the center. We await this process. Once the Cash App is open, they welcome us and at the same time ask us for a phone number or an email to begin the process of creating the account. I recommend that you enter a phone number. It is more comfortable and simple. Cash App will send you an identity verification code by text message, therefore, you must have your cell phone with you to enter your verification code. Very well, I will write here my cell phone number from the United States. That is why the international code of the United States automatically appears for this sector. We check if we have written our phone number correctly, and then we press the next button. This is precisely what I had commented. You have to enter in this empty field the verification code that you will receive by text message. At this time, you can see how the code arrived in this message. We proceed to write our verification code and press the next button. Attention! I want you to listen to me well at this time, because I will show you how the Cash App referral program works and how you can earn money with it. For example, around here they ask us to enter an invitation code if we have one. What is this about? It is a code called an invitation code. All Cash App users, when creating an account, will have their own code, which they can use to invite other users to use the Cash App service. If the person you have guessed uses your code, precisely by entering in this section when you create your account, you will earn $5, and the other person who creates your account will also earn $5. Everyone wins, and that is the good thing. If you enter an invitation code here, not only does the owner of the code win, but you will also win. If you want to know where to find an invitation code now that you are creating for your account, go to the comments, where several people are sharing their code. Use the one you want. When you already have your own account created, you can also share this code to start earning money with the Cash App. The more people use your code, the more money you will make, and they will earn too. We recommend using the comments section to leave an original message with your code so that more people want to use your code. Very well, we enter the invitation code here and press the next button. In the next window, we can add our bank account or debit card. But we can also do this later, so we click on this button to skip this step. Very well, in this window, for this sector precisely, you must enter your full name, as it appears in our identity document. Once our name is completed, we click on the next button. For this sector, we write the postal code of the city where we are currently living. If you do not know what your postal code is, you must search online for the postal code of your city. You will quickly have an answer. Pay very attention. Something very important is coming. In this section, you have to configure your cash tag. And what is the cash tag? Since it is your unique username in the Cash App, other people who need to send you money can use your cash tag to send it to you quickly. In general, we can send money in Cash App to our mobile contacts, but if we do not have registered the person who will receive the money, we can use their cash tag to send them money. That is why you have to create your cash tag here and then save it. Once the cash tag is created, we click Next. Here Cash App gives us a brief notice of what I had told you a moment ago, that is, we can invite our friends to join with our code and we would earn $5 for each person who registers in Cash App and use our code. We continue. We click this button to skip this message and start using Cash App. This is the Cash App welcome message. Ready, we have successfully created our account. If you like the information, please support the video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now to receive this type of video. Don't forget to share your code in the comments to earn a lot of money. Until next time.